the front elevator at the Rampark Garage in Lincoln, Nebraska. This is going to be 1080p 60 frames. This is a Dover from 1976, actually. Let's start, we'll go down first. So here we go. Here it comes. It's up on 3. And here it is. Let's go down the basement. Here we go. This is traction. Here in the basement. Used to be nothing there. Let's go to 6. Soon in 2017, these elevators are getting modernized by Elitech. Here we go. Here's 6. Let's go back down to the street level. Your fixtures, Survivor Plus, Phantom Resistant. There's your phone over there. Fornicator. The Dover. Here the street level. Alright, that's it. And that's it.